Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about not chemical, it is cosmetics business. We are discussing about cosmetics business. In that today we are discussing about aloe vera gel manufacturing business. Aloe vera gel making. From aloe vera gel you can produce value added items that have huge market potential. The list includes aloe vera juice, gel, powder, etc. Aloe vera gel from aloe vera leaves. Aloe vera leaves is gel is the most important product you can produce from aloe vera leaves. The items has the both consumer and industrial demand. Basically, you can sell the product by two ways. One is as concentrated aloe vera gel for the end use consumers. Others is to the herbal companies who produce aloe vera based products. And next point is aloe vera gel market potential. Aloe vera gel belongs to Liliaceae family and has thick green leaves which contain gel and latex. The gel consists primarily of water and the rest includes various vitamins, amino acids, enzymes, hormones, minerals and sugars, most of which are found in the human body. Next point is composition of aloe vera gel. The aloe vera leaf gel contains about 98% of water. The total solid content of aloe vera gel is 0.66% and soluble solids are 0.56% with some seasonal fluctuation. On dry matter basis, aloe vera gel consists of polysaccharides 55%, sugars 17%, minerals 16%, proteins 7%, lipids 4% and phenolic compounds 1%. The aloe vera gel contains many vitamins including the important antioxidant vitamins A, C and E, vitamin B1 that means thiamine and niacin, vitamin B2 that means vitamin B2 means riboflavin and choline and folic acid are also present in aloe vera. Next point is registration and licensing of aloe vera gel manufacturing. In starting aloe vera gel production, you have to obtain several registrations and licenses from the government authorities. It depends on specific location of your plant. If you want to produce value added items such as cosmetics products, then you need to apply for other specific licenses. We have listed some of the basic requirements of the processing of concentrated aloe vera gel from aloe vera leaves, aloe vera leaves. Apply for NOC, no objection certificate from Pollution Control Board is also required. And major requirements of machines is cooling van for getting the aloe vera leaf from the farm, aloe leaf washing unit and extractor, aloe vera gel manufacturing, aloe vera gel making unit, filling machine, testing equipment, weighing scale, DG set of uninterrupted electric supply, aloe vera gel production business useful links, small business registration in India, basic guide. Aloe vera gel production process. After transport to the factory, you have to wash and disinfect the plants. There are two basic methods of processing. First, the processing of the entire leaf, including the shell containing aloe and separating the leaf from the gel before processing. And next point is aloe vera gel production process. The separation method. The bottom of the leaf is cut off and the leaves are left to bleed. This leads to the eluent leaking out of the leaves. This is part of the plant known for its bitter taste and its laxative effect for a quality product. It is important that the aloe is kept out of the final gel. Next point is homogene, pasteurize, stabilize and concentrate the gel. Remove the gel from the plants, need to filter it. Finally, homogenize, pasteurize and stabilize it. The last step is then to concentrate the gel. The process from cutting the leaves and the final aloe extract need to complete it with a maximum of 2 days. The quality loss in the process can occur in a number of ways. The most important reasons are the poor quality of leaves and poor or slow processing. Next point is now you can sell the concentrated aloe vera gel to the end consumers or to the industries who produce herbal products with aloe vera gel. Next point is, it okay to put aloe vera gel in your hair? The best form of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant. Rubbing aloe vera into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles could condition and improve damaged dry hair. After letting it sit for an hour, rinse the gel off with a mild shampoo. What brand of aloe vera gel is best for hair? Here are our best picks. Forest Essential Pure Aloe Vera Light Hydrating Gel, Wow Aloe Vera Multi-Purpose Beauty Gel for Skin and Hair, Khadi Natural Aloe Vera Gel, Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel, and Aroma Treasures Aloe Vera Gel. Likewise, so many gels are there. Next point is, how long should you keep aloe vera gel on your hair? Leaving the mask on for 30 minutes. You can leave it on for up to an hour. For extra conditioning, rinse the mask out of your hair. You will probably want to wash your hair to make sure you get the mask out completely, since aloe vera gel can leave a family residue in your hair. Next point is, how do you manufacture aloe vera gel? How to make aloe vera gel? Cut an aloe vera leaf into 8 long sections. Cut off and ragged edge. Make a long lengthwise incision and in the middle of the leaf to peel off the skin. Now place your knife right under the rind and slide is along the length of the leaf to pull off the skin. Next point is, can aloe vera regrow lost hair? Aloe vera gel is rich in proteolytic enzymes that heal and repair damaged cells in the scalp. In this turn improves the health of hair follicles and boosts hair growth. Proteolytic enzymes also stimulate the dormant hair follicles, promoting regrowth of hair. And next point is, do I need to wash my hair after applying aloe vera? Aloe vera naturally enzymes destroy the excessive dead skin cells and fungus that leads to dandruff, while also leaving the scalp pH level balanced and hair moisturized. Massage the gel into your scalp and leave it for 10 minutes. Then rinse before shampooing or co-washing as usual. This is the information regarding aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a main product and an important product in cosmetics. Very good business is there for this. So utilize this, and you can start an industry also with this if you are interested. But what I am saying is, before starting any type of startup, first you should have a project report. In MS Word document, you should prepare a typing. You should prepare a type. You should type it and prepare a document with what to do first. Step 1: location and machinery, and then manpower, and all these, and where are the raw material available, and dealers available, and suppliers, and supporting manufacturers. All these things you should have a document. Once a project is started means you should not research. Always you should go through your project report, and you should read that and again implement it. Likewise only you should do. Once starting means you should not think and research. Only you should implement only. Likewise, if you prepare a very good project report, then it will be successful to you. And be careful regarding money also. Time is the most important in this case also. Wishing you all the best.